Unorganized chaos.
Blue Samaya also.
What the fuck?
Hello, Samaya. My name is Ramses.
Excuse me. No, I'm not gonna get anywhere, but this is how late we book hotels. We're on the ferry, sweating our tits off. No aircon, no window. Maybe a million people in here, not even enough seats for them to sit down. And we're booking a hotel. Worst journey of my life.
Avec les tortues, t'as les tortues.
It's the queue to leave.
Mayawan and Wijaya Perkasa. Wijaya Perkasa. Let's keep going.
What the fuck is all this? Someone's just got their motorbike knocked over by a horse. What is all this shit? Someone's e-scooter just got smashed up. It's okay? Horse? A horse just took his bike out. A horse just crashed into his bike. So basically the rest of the time we was here, we just went looking out for turtles, and yeah, the rest of the video is just us swimming in the sea, maybe finding turtles, looking for turtles, and a few fish and coral. Enjoy. Walking through the centre of Gili Trawangan. Got a cow. Got a load more cows over there. It's kind of like a deserted area in the middle. On the way to this beach that's called Sunset Point and Shark Point. Hopefully we can see some sharks, but I think that's more just a morning thing. Just kind of walking through the centre of the island now. Not much going on, not a single person out here. Hopefully the beach is nice though. This is an outdoor cinema. They're showing Barbie the film tonight on the beach, sat here, and there's the screen. Well, I've lost Izzy. I went to the beach, turned around, she wasn't there. Must have walked a different way. She's got my phone, money, and dehydrated, miles from the hotel. This guy's got me some water. He's going to fetch me some water. We moved hotels this morning. We didn't even get time to check in before we went back out. Lost Izzy. Look, every street's the same. I've no idea where the hotel is. I'm walking around aimlessly. So I came back to the hotel. She's not here. Now I've hired a bike. Paying after because obviously I haven't got a wallet or phone or water, so I'm pretty fucked. And she's got my snorkel as well, so I can't do anything that I want to do. Go and buy food or drink. So I'm going to bike around the whole island looking for her. Now I'm cycling around the whole island looking for Izzy. She's not at the hotel. It's either a case of waiting at the hotel however long, or biking around the whole island to see if I can see her snorkeling. So I kind of forgot I have an iPad in my bag, which I could have just messaged her on when I walked back to the hotel, but instead I hired a bike and biked around the whole island. I could have just messaged her on my iPad. Turtle! Another turtle! Oh god, I can't stand up. Off he goes. Swimming away. Bye turtle. Oh. So we booked the extra night, staying here for 2 more nights now. We're going to have a hotel with a little pool. So snorkeling again. I'm going to go snorkeling on the west side of the island tomorrow. The food here is good. And then we're going to Gili Trawangan, which is just there, which I can basically swim to. Look at an eel! Eel! An eel!